What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. Geek. So, question is the Bowling Green State University worth it? Bowling Green State University. By the way, I'm already wearing green. Is that worth it or not? Let's
Yeah,
find out.
Bowling Green State University images news main academic Wikipedia. Let's see the tuition. In-state tuition is also high, not that good, but okay, it's a public university. Let's see their rank first. The rank is a lot important. 172 is a good rank. The rank is good. Okay. The funds production is going solid. If you can afford that tuition, please do not take a loan. If you are willing to take a loan, it's much better. You start a business, do something practical, travel around the world, do something practical. The degree will do nothing for you. It's your experience, it's your skill set. But still, why you wanna listen to my crap? Let me tell you my opinion. They have to offer a lot of degrees. I mean, if a university offer that like major with A, okay, Africana. Hmm, pique my interest. I will study something like Africana studies and work for a NGO. Yeah, I mean literally. And then you start working in African countries. It's like you are getting good salary, enjoying at same overall time. Yeah, I think I can recommend it. Yes, I can recommend this Bowling Green State University. My full recommendation if you can afford it. It was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in description box.